Meaning of discomfit.
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 Discomfit. The word discomfit means to make someone feel uneasy or embarrassed, especially in front of others. It can also mean to frustrate or thwart someone's plans or efforts. The result of being discomfited can range from mild discomfort to extreme embarrassment, depending on the context and severity of the situation. In some cases, it may cause a loss of confidence or self-esteem, while in others it may simply be a temporary setback. Overall, being discomfited is an unpleasant experience that can leave a lasting impact on a person's emotional state.